How to cancel Propstream subscription. Now, if you go directly to their application and log into your account or even through their official site, and again log into your account, cancel option or cancel field is not going to be visible on the application itself as well as on the website. So the last resort or so the last thing that we can do is to send out an email through their support. So if you take a look on their official site and then scrolling all the way down to the bottom part of this page and then heading directly to contact us or to customer support tab, you will be given a specific form. So if you read through this specific message that cancellation request will not be processed through this form, you will have a certain number here. Now, if you don't like to call to this specific number and you want it the most convenient way, then you can try to send an email to support@propstream.com. You just have to be specific on the subject if you're using on a Google Mail form. Add a subject on cancellation on subscription, and then you just have to be specific on the contents of the message as to why you were canceling your subscription. So I believe that's the last resort that we can do for us to be able to cancel our subscription on PropStream.